Welcome to The Explainer. You know, if you're still building channels the old way, buying crazy expensive cameras, always showing your face, and burning days on editing, you are honestly playing on hard mode. Today, we're diving into the ultimate insider blueprint for building fully automated, highly profitable faceless channels. We're talking about incredibly high CPM niches here, things like faceless tech, visualized philosophy, or financial case studies. We are going to break down exactly how top creators use data, proven frameworks, and modern AI tools to completely reverse engineer viral success.
Here is our roadmap for today's explainer. First, we'll talk about why you need to stop guessing on YouTube. Second, reverse engineering winning channels. Third, the AI analysis tool stack. Fourth, the anatomy of a viral hook. And finally, turning all that research into actual content.
All right, let's jump right into section 1. Stop guessing on YouTube. It's time for a major paradigm shift.
So why do most YouTube videos just totally flop? Well, the painful, honest truth is that most creators are just guessing. They're guessing what topics people actually want, they're guessing what titles might get clicks, and they're guessing what script structure will actually hold someone's attention. They do all this instead of analyzing what is demonstrably working right now. And let me tell you, when you guess on a faceless channel, your attention tanks instantly. There's no personality to fall back on.
Think about it like this. You are absolutely not ripping off the creator. You are decoding the literal system behind the channel. Success is a system you can study, not some random stroke of luck. You're breaking down the psychological and structural framework that made a video pop, so you can build your own completely automated content engine.
Moving right along to section 2, reverse engineering winning channels, decoding the system. If you want a real passive income strategy, this is where the magic happens.
Now, a crucial thing to understand is that raw views, they can totally mislead you. A giant channel getting 1 million views is basically just Tuesday for them. You need to hunt for the outliers. You are actively searching for that 500,000 view video on a channel that normally only gets maybe 50,000 views. That massive spike, that signals unusual, rabid demand.
To actually decode a competitor and set up your automation, you have to systematically peel back these 9 specific layers to understand their exact content blueprint. This is exactly how you stop asking AI for random, generic ideas and start feeding it hard, undeniable evidence.
Check out the difference in topic DNA here. A weak analysis says, oh, they make AI videos. But a strong one? This channel uses expert reversal hooks and urgent futurism to explain AI breakthroughs. See the difference? Digging past surface-level categories gives you an actual usable playing field. Urgent futurism is a specific tone you can practically program into an AI workflow. AI videos is just fluff.
So just follow these 4 steps to build a repeatable content map. No more staring blankly at an empty page. You find the gap, you build the formula, and you prepare the absolute foundation for your automation tool stack.
All right, section 3, the AI analysis tool stack. Let's dive into the engine of this operation and see how to scale this research.
Let's put our heavyweights head-to-head. NotebookLM is just wildly unmatched for citing across multiple transcripts. You can literally throw up to 50 sources into a single notebook. Meanwhile, ChatGPT completely dominates in conversational flexibility and custom formatting. Combined, you've got an absolute research powerhouse.
But wait, how do you actually feed that juicy data into the AI? Well, tools like Transcriber are absolute lifesavers here because they pull the raw transcript data straight from videos and feed it directly into your AI workflow. You can literally bulk download an entire playlist of your competitors' outlier videos in seconds. It completely replaces manual copying.
Okay, listen up because this is your absolute secret weapon. By using some clever browser extensions, you can literally clone a successful YouTuber's brain straight into NotebookLM, drop their transcripts, their long-form articles, even their Reddit threads right in there, and then ask the AI directly how they structure their ideas. You can extract instant deep dive scripts with angles your competitors completely missed.
And hey, if you're using NotebookLM's audio overviews, the Cortex extension lets you push those research summaries right to your personal podcast app automatically. Imagine this. Batch producing 10 videos worth of audio research first, listening to them on your commute, and then generating your scripts and visuals the second you get home. It's an incredible efficiency hack.
Next up, section 4, the anatomy of a viral hook, winning those crucial first 30 seconds.
This is arguably the most critical part of retention.
In the faceless niche, if you lose them here, none of your brilliant research matters. The hook is literally everything. But whatever you do, please don't force every single video into the exact same mold. You want to cherry pick from these proven hook patterns based on what you're making. For a financial case study channel, a stakes hook or a contrarian hook works absolute wonders. For a tech channel, hit them with a proof hook.
Look at this stark contrast. A strong proof hook creates instant, undeniable credibility. It gives the viewer a desperate, almost physical need to keep watching. A weak hook just lazily gives information. A strong hook creates a massive open loop that the viewer simply must close.
Notice how the strong version here builds this immediate, intense curiosity gap. It proves that packaging is just as critical as the topic itself. And real quick, there's a huge debate right now about using basic text-to-speech versus hyper-realistic voice clones like ElevenLabs for these hooks. I can tell you right now, a cheap robotic voice reading a killer script, it kills your attention instantly. You absolutely need that human emotional infliction to sell the tension.
Because the perfect hook doesn't just exist in a vacuum, right? It's the essential bridge connecting your title and thumbnail straight into the meat of your script. Never, ever just go with your first draft. Have your AI generate 5 to 10 variants and pick the absolute most compelling one.
Finally, we arrive at Section 5, turning research into content. Let's see how this all builds into an actual publishable piece of content that the algorithm loves and that actually drives revenue.
When you're using tools like OverseerOS or ChatGPT to write your script, you absolutely have to enforce what we call your creator DNA. Otherwise, you just end up with generic AI slop. And this addresses the elephant in the room, YouTube's monetization policy on reused content. You have got to add significant creative value through your unique editing style, your distinct scripting structure, and your creator DNA to breeze through that monetization review. The ultimate goal of all this research is unearthing those massive content gaps. We're talking about the highly demanded topics your competitors have completely ignored. When you finally launch, you need to watch for concrete metrics in your first 30 days. You are looking for a click-through rate above 6% and an average view duration well over 50%.
We use all this data to fuel our original content strategy. We take those proven architectures and inject our own unique spin. Oh, and here's a massive insider pro tip for you. To maximize your revenue way beyond simple AdSense, embed digital products or affiliate funnels directly into a pinned comment. That way, your automated video is working 24/7 as a relentless lead generator.
So, armed with this proven system, an elite AI tool stack, and the blueprints for total automated success, the only question left for you is, which channel are you going to reverse engineer first?